How to navigate Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can navigate on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to basically navigate Instagram, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all open Instagram. This is how the interface you're going to see, depending upon whether you're using a Android or iOS. Now if you want to actually go back, you can just use the back gesture like this. Now this really depends upon your phone, but it also really depends upon whether you're using the button gesture or the side button gesture. So if you're using button navigation, you might want to press that. Now here you can see different types of icons. Here you can see the notification icon. You can just tap here. You can either come back by going back, or you can tap the arrow icon here to come back. The DMs page is located at the top right. If you want to like a certain photo, just double tap on it, or you can also tap on this heart icon over here. And once you double tap, this will get liked. You can go to comment section and comment something if you feel that's what you're looking for. You can also go ahead and share this to your story or send this as a post to anybody else as you like. So this is the simply way to navigate Instagram as you would be able to find here. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.